Hey guys, so Search Atlas is one of the amazing disruption for the SEO, especially the auto that they have. But one of the problem with the people using the Search Atlas is that they do not know how to use the system. They do not know how to be onboarded. They do not know how does each of the functionality works. And the problem with the support, if you try to see through the support, like you get a lot of appointments. Scheduling the appointments is not that right away and easy. So it takes a lot of headache. So what we have done is we have created this done for you free solution for you, where my Search Atlas expert is going to do one-to-one personal support with you. That means complete onboarding will be on that person. What I'm going to do, I'm going to form a WhatsApp group with you, between you and him. And once the support gets over, only then the WhatsApp group will be created. So one-to-one personal call. Within the call, the person is going to guide you through each of the things and then do the necessary setup that you need initially. So the only condition that you would need to do is just sign up using our referral link. This is how like we get the benefit and we convert our benefit to you. What is our referral link? This is our referral link at the top, but how do you navigate? Just type in the browser abdullahzahid.com/auto, abdullahzahid.com/OTTO. It will reroute you to this page, official page of Search Atlas, and then you start the free trial. The moment that you have started the free trial, just either email me at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com or WhatsApp me at this number +91 9958457688, and we are going to ensure right away we assign that expert of the Search Atlas to you, and he will complete the onboarding and doing the initial setup that all you need, as well as telling you, walking you over with the system, that you are completely equipped to use the system, to use the auto and excel in your SEO. Isn't that amazing, the deal, guys? Why? Because you would not, you would be paying the same amount, either you sign up directly or through somebody's affiliate links. But since you are signing up through our affiliate link, this is the best bonus that you can possibly get, because we are giving you personal time and solving big problem of yours of getting onboarded. Right. So again, the link is abdullahzahid.com/auto, and I am an affiliate of Go High Level. So Go High Level is even partnering with Search Atlas. So definitely it is going to go boom. Go High Level is one of the big, like almost $1 billion company. And even if you check on my YouTube channel, I have done a complete review of Search Atlas, as well as the pricing video of the Search Atlas platform. So of course, like, I am interested in this, and sign up, let me know, and one-to-one onboarding completely free. I wish you guys all